Iotty Smart Home Light Switch. Designed with Italian sophistication. Activates upon arrival to destination, utilizing its GeoLocation feature. Never show up to a dark home again. Utilize the automatic gate or door opener. Intelligently knows when it's needed. Able to trigger the light on with the sunset. Lifts your home into the new age of connectivity and safety. Have friends or family have access to the app, so they can easily control Iotty as well. A random activation setting will even protect your home when you're not around, keeping you and your family safe. Easy installation means you can do it yourself. This sleek, sexy fixture will transform your home and the way you connect with it. Instant cloud connection to your smartphone, giving you full control of settings and displays usage data. Now that it's available on crowdfunding, you can take advantage of our early pricing and replace this with this. Go get Iotty. Get connected.